Hey everyone, this is Caleb Wojcik from Think Traffic, and in today's video we're going to show you how to start a blog in under 6 minutes. Just head on over to thinktraffic.net/BlueHost to get redirected to the BlueHost hosting page. You can sign up there to get discounted hosting. Enter the domain name that you wish to have, whether it's a .com or a .net or what have you, and then click Next. On the next page you'll be setting up all your information, so your first, last name, credit card information. We'll skip that step right now. Then you pick what kind of plan you want. Do you want a 12-month, 24, or 36-month plan? Pricing varies depending on which plan you pick. Then there's some other options, and the one option that I would consider is the domain whois, if you're worried about the privacy of your address being available to other people. On the next page, you just select if there's any upgrades you want. Possibly you want them to back up the site, or if there are additional domain names you want to purchase. If there's nothing on this site, just go ahead and click Complete. On the next page, go ahead and click where it says Create a Password. Then you'll type in a password twice. It needs to have a number and a symbol. Once that's all set, just hit Enter and submit it. Then to log into your account, you just have to enter the same password you just created and click Login. This Getting Started page just helps you start to rank a little bit in search engines. So pick the primary purpose, the name of your business, whether or not you target local customers, and what category best describes you. So we're going to just use education for this example. But you can see there's a bunch of different other examples as well. And the last box is what search terms people would look for if they're trying to find your site. So this we're just using as a redirect, but we're going to go ahead and put in Think Traffic Toolbox and blog and blogging as well. Once that's done, just hit Submit. And then here's your admin page through BlueHost. If you don't need help getting started, just say no thanks, I'm fine. Over on the left, they have a one-click install of WordPress right now. So go ahead and click that page, and then on the lower left, there's a green button that says Install. Go ahead and click that button. Now this next page is whether or not you want to install that a subdomain, whether or not that's /blog or /WordPress. It's best to just keep it at the regular domain. You can uncheck plugins if you don't need them, and there are also some advanced options there. So if you just click the checkbox on step 4 and click Complete, then it'll install WordPress automatically for your site. So this will take a couple seconds. Just wait for it to complete. Then on the next page, it gives you your login username and password for your website. So if you head on over to the domain that we created, thinktraffictoolbox.com, you can see WordPress is now installed. It has a pretty boring theme, but it will work for the time being. So to log in, just go to your domain name /wp-admin and go ahead and take the password that they gave you along with the username of admin and go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. So here's your WordPress dashboard, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install a maintenance plugin. So if you go to Add New Plugins and search Maintenance Mode through their catalog of plugins, we're looking for one called ThemeFuse Maintenance Mode. So I see it there at the bottom. Go ahead and click Install Now. And then click OK. Click Activate Plugin. And then go ahead and scroll down to the plugin and click Settings. On this next page, you can upload a logo or a custom background for this countdown timer on your website that other people will see. We're just going to go ahead and change the complete %, and we're going to type in a little message. You'll also want to update your Twitter username there, so we're going to type Think Traffic in there, and then just go ahead and click Save Changes. Now it's all installed, so go ahead and visit your site and see what it looks like. So since you're logged in, it'll still look like it's supposed to look. But if you log out of WordPress and you go to your domain, it'll have this little countdown timer to the date that you're counting down to, as well as a % complete, a Twitter account, and a place to collect email addresses. So if you want to create your own blog in under 6 minutes, just go to thinktraffic.net/Bluehost and go ahead and get started.